Okay, this is what we're going to do today. We are going to make a virtual classroom on Google Slides. So with the bitmoji, so I'm going to show you how to do all that in just a minute. Before we learn how to do the Google Slide with the bitmoji, so make sure you create your bitmoji on your phone. Then you are going to go to new tab and press Chrome Web Store. And then after you would put in right here bitmoji. Now after it'll come up with the extension as you see, I already added it. So then you'll have all your stuff to sign in, and then after it'll be all good. So now I'm going to go to a new slide and show you how to do all this. So first you're going to go create a new slide. Now after first you're going to highlight all of this right here. Like select all of it. And then after your backspace. Why don't you go ahead and do that? And then now we're going to do the background, make it look like an animated kind of thing. So first we're going to go to the images. As you see, I already put wall, floor, and tree, but you could do whatever you want. Right now, I'm going to put in wall, floor. If you want, you could put wall and floor. I think it's going to be the same thing. Okay, so I like this one right here, so I'm going to go ahead and pick that. And press insert in the corner. It says this image is too large. Try this again. Probably work, or else who does that? Just choose another picture. So I see it doesn't work. So you're going to go to pick another one. So it looks like it will work. And after when you see it come up at the back there, you're going to press done. Now you have your nice background wall and the floor. Now you're going to go up to here with your bitmoji extension, and say you want to look like you're relaxed. So you're going to press this little waving hand at the bottom, the second hand right there. And I'm going to put beanbag. And as you see, it'll come up right there. I just put BEA. It should come up. After this, right click it and press copy image. You're going to do that. Now you just come out of that extension and right click the space you want it to go into. After press paste. So I will say I want it to look on this side, so it's going to right click that, press rotate, and to flip horizontally, so it looks like I'm sitting on the left and not on the right. So next, you said you wanted to look like you're relaxed and you want to put let's say you want to put a whiteboard right in this space on the wall. Yeah, we'll go to insert right here, image, and search. Then you see I already put transparent whiteboard. So that's what you would want to put. So you go there and put transparent whiteboard and enter it. Now you would search, say I want this one, but you don't want the side stuff. So we'll right click it again and scroll down and press crop image. And then you go back and see how much you want it to go to. After you see it's like vanished a little bit, you'll just click on any part of the screen. And after there you go, you don't have it anymore. So say you want your kids to make your classroom and type stuff in the whiteboard. You just press text box right there. And after you'll see like this little four and like these two lines crossing each other. That's when you know you have the whiteboard in your mouse. You'll just go ahead and select the whole whiteboard. After there you have your text box. Say you wanna do just type anything you want. So right now I'm going to say welcome class class virtual class in 2020. So I'm going to put that right there. So there you have it. And say if you want to make this bigger, you'll just press Control Shift after the back arrow, and after you'll highlight it, and after you'll press the plus button right here. Make it how big you want it to be. So say I want it to be at 21. And say you want like a little classroom, like a picture of a classroom. You go to Google right here and press and do classroom, like new classroom. You don't have to do that actually. You go right here to insert, image, and search. After you delete all this right here that you already put in it, after you put let's say you want an animated classroom. And after you have it right there, say you want a picture like this one right here, you click on it, it'll come out at the bottom as blue. You'll press insert right there. After you create an image, you put it, say you want on the whiteboard right there. And then after, you make it as big as you want. And then there you have it. Say you want that to be a link. So you'll go right here, you'll click the link you want to have. So say I want a link of your favorite music or whatever. So I'm going to put, so for me, I'm going to do, let's say I want to create a bitmoji or something like that. So I'll put bitmoji right here. Bitmoji right there. You'll press this one, but as I said, you cannot make your own bitmoji on the computer. You have to do it on an Android device or iPhone or whatever kind of device you have. You also do it on a tablet. So that is good as well. So you'll just copy this link right up here. You'll press Control C. After there, I see it's highlighted and copied. You'll press this right here, and you'll make it into a link. So I don't think you could do it here, but you could also do it right here. Make sure that thing is still highlighted. You'll see the box right there. You'll press link right there. Now you'll Control V, and after there you have it, the Bitmoji link. After you check apply, and there you have it. It's everything right there. So now I say you want a window, look like you're nice and relaxed. So you want to move this over a little bit to make the classroom more exciting for the people that you're going to do. Let's just go back right there and undo it. See if you want to make a mistake. Then you'll go right here, press insert, image, and search. Make sure if you want a picture and you want it to go into the slides, make sure you type in transparent before everything you do. Transparent. And after you just put transparent window because I want to put a window in it to make it look more exciting. Say I like this one right here. You go and insert it. So it's in those right there. You drag it out to the corner you want it to be in. You can make it longer if you wanted to. Now to see a nice background behind it, you'll go right there, see in share between, go to insert, image, and web, and search the web. And now you'll go to I want a nice sunset for the background. You'll press sunset right there, and give me all this nice pictures. Say like this one right here. I'll choose that one, press enter at the bottom right there. And then after right here, make it fit over it, and make sure it's not over the slide, or when you go to presentate it, it will not look good. And then after, now you see it's covering the window. You cannot see the picture of the frame of the window that you pressed. You're gonna right click it. You're gonna put order, and after you're gonna press send backward. But you save it, and see it's a little off of the window right there. Now you have it, nice window right there. So that's my video today. Have a good day. So that is my video today. Have a good day. Please like it and subscribe and share it with anybody who wants to know how to do it. That's it for today, and have a good day.